the child underwater. Sheriff's Department divers and sonar equipment were used to search a network of canals, ponds, and lakes before they found the boy.
I delivered the message along with a priest, a Catholic priest, and of course the family was distraught, but also I believe somewhat relieved that we were able to find their son with his body. Oh hell no! One and two, that he was located so that they could come to grips with what is happening.
Bruh.
30 minutes we'll take you live to Orlando with new questions about the warning signs around this lagoon area where they are. And in about 20 minutes, Melanie Posey talking to a wildlife expert here about what we all can do to protect ourselves when it comes to interacting with wildlife. This boy's death just the latest and the